Welcome to Financial Edge by Honest Accounting Group. I'm Enoch Garcia, QuickBooks Advisor and Lead Accountant at Honest Accounting Group. If you need help with bookkeeping, QuickBooks, or cash flow management, please visit honestaccountinggroup.com to schedule a free consultation. You can also find me on LinkedIn under Enoch Garcia. Now let's get started. Okay, so to turn on multi-currency, we're going to go to the gear icon, then account and settings. On the left-hand side, go to Advanced and scroll down to Currency. Okay, click on the pencil, and here on the toggle, we'll turn it on and hit I understand. You have to read this because once you turn it on, you cannot turn it off. Okay, so and also once you select the USD, that'll be the home currency. So just make sure that is what you need. Hit save, and it'll refresh for you. Okay, let's scroll back down. Okay, so that's how we turn on multi-currency. Now, to manage the currencies that we need, we'll click on that hyperlink. And here we have the home currency as USD, as mentioned, but now we also have the Canadian dollar and the euro. So if I want to add another currency, hypothetically British pound, I'll select it and hit add. Okay, so here now we have the name of the currency, the USD exchange rate, and then the last time it was updated. If you want to edit the exchange rates, you can do so here. But that is how you add the currencies to QuickBooks Online. So again, once you turn it on, you cannot undo it. So make sure that this is exactly what you need, and then select all the currencies that you need for your customers and clients.